Hi, welcome to my channel Cooking with Ashwati. So today on menu we have Dal Palak or Dal Bhaji, a Maharashtrian delicacy. You can have a look on the ingredients. I have also provided pictures and labeled the particular ingredients for your reference. So let's get started. Add oil, then add the mustard seeds. Now add in the hing and jeera. Now we add in the green chilies, then the ginger garlic paste and onions. Give it a good mix. Please keep in mind not to burn it. The onions need to slightly turn brown. Now add in the peanuts. Stir well. Now add in the dry ingredients, that is the turmeric powder, red chili powder and coriander powder, and then add the tomato. Give it a good mix. Now add in the spinach. We have taken 2 cups of spinach here. Combine them well. Now cover and cook for about 5 minutes. The spinach will release all the water and it will help cook it. Now here we see the spinach is cooked. Now we add in the dal mixture. This is cooked tur dal and chana dal. The ratio here we have taken is of 2 tablespoons chana dal and 1 or 2 cup of tur dal. Add water and adjust the consistency. Here you can add the salt and red chili powder according to your taste. If you want it more spicy, you can add in red chili powder here. Now add in the garam masala. Give it a good mix and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Dal looks delicious. Now let's add in coriander leaves. Give it a good mix and it's ready to serve. Hope you liked my video and I hope you all try Dal Palak. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.